How's it going, guys? Today I'm back. I've ordered some new headlights. It's for my car. They've turned up now, so I'm going to get them unboxed.
Okay guys, so here we go. This is on my new set of headlights. Officially unboxed, out of the way. So it's got a nice little DRL strip coming across here. Space for your two headlight bulbs there, and then your indicator there. But it just looks and feels a lot sharper and a lot nicer than the factory ones I've got currently on my car with a tint. And I'm really excited and looking forward to getting these actually on my car and all sorted. And I'll do that in this next part of the video. Okay guys, so to do this you're going to have to take the bumper off. On my one in particular, you've got 4 T20 screws going across the front. So you've got one here, here, here and up there. So you're going to have to unscrew them. There's a few, I think there's 2 10mm bolts underneath the bumper, but I'm not going to get my camera under there to show you that. And then there's a few right in the corner underneath, securing the wing to the actual bumper itself and the headlight. So you've got to remove all them, which I'm going to do now, and then I'll come back to you with the bumper off. Okay, so now we've done it. We've got the bumper removed slightly, not fully, but it's half on, half off. Still hanging on by a few bolts around the corner down there. What we've done, we've unscrewed the headlight bulb bolts, because there's one right down there, if you can just see it there, and then there's one up here. Undo then the 10mm bolts. Oh, so that releases the headlight. Only thing is to remove it, you've got to remove this full side of the driver's wing, which you have to do by getting rid of all these. So there's one screw here, one T20 bolt up there, and then it's separated by 8 clips around. What you have to do, you have to go move the wheel and twist it full. Okay, so now we've done it. We swapped out the old headlight for the new one. We swapped the bulbs over, so it's now got the 2 new bulbs inside it. Obviously these new DRL strips there replace what was formerly the low beam bit. Obviously now everything's all out, this is probably the best chance you'll get to give it a little clean. So I'll take the opportunity to do that. You might want to, you might not. Depends how much time you've got or what you want to plan on doing. So now literally just to look at all that, double check everything's all working. Mine is, so that's fine. And then just reassemble it and do the steps in reverse. So I'll come back to you when it's all done and all fitted back together. Okay then guys, there they are, headlights all in, all sorted, looking smart as ever. Nice sporty feature look to it now. Brings me on to my next thing. I'm considering getting some eyebrows for the top of it, just to complete that little black look over the top. Other than that, that's all sorted. So I think we'll end this video with a quick go through the motions of the lights. As always guys, thanks for watching.